Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video today, yes, we have a series of Born Pretty store polishes to review. So on this one, I am reviewing for you a color changing peel off water based polish. So I have two of them right here. This first one is called Sara Lee and Stars. A very pretty shimmer. It goes down quite sheer but has a very pretty shimmer, and this purple is called Cloud Purple Sky. So like I said, these are water-based and they do peel off, so they are non-toxic. There you can see the pretty shimmer between the two of them. And I'm going to test these on my nails where I already have the yellow stopper as a base. I'll also be using Born Pretty Store's Odorless Top Coat. Now this one, guys, it is labeled as a fast drying top coat, and you can see there, odorless. And yes, it is completely odorless, but take a look, see that? Like how it's foggy, just like on and other water-based top coats that I've seen. So my guess is that this is a water-based top coat, and I did put it to test. In my experience, it was not a fast drying top coat, and I did mention that to them. I don't know why it's labeled as a fast drying top coat. However, it is perfect for top coating over foils like She Modern foils or foil decals, and also it was excellent for stamping. So I tested this over stamping and it did not smear. So we will put that, I will show you that as well. So let's start with the swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here are my swatches of the two polishes, guys. I went ahead and put the same color. This one is the gray one, is this one, Sara Lee and Stars. As you can see, quite sheer even after 3 coats. There you can see how sheared it is, but very pretty. I mean, I like the shimmers on it. It's a very pretty sheer polish, and I'm thinking it's not a jelly, but you can almost treat it as a jelly polish and stamp something in between. And then this one, the purple. This one, remember, it's called the Cloud of Purple Sky. It's a shimmery metallic, so it's not just shimmer. There is some metallic in it, and I was able to get away with 2 coats on both of these nails right here. Now I am noticing they are slow drying. It's been probably a good 3 minutes, 4 minutes or so, and they are still wet. I can still smudge them and I mean, I can wipe them off. I can tell by just testing, checking on the corners. They're very, very sticky after that time. I have not applied this top coat yet. What I want to do is I want to apply the Sedge Feet top coat to allow for faster drying, and I want to do some stamping on it, and then I'm going to test this as a top coat over the stamp. Alright guys, so before we do the stamping, I figure it'll be best if we do the temperature change test, and I'll pay attention and take a close look because the change on these is quite subtle. So I'm going to dip the first one here. This is the gray because it goes clear, and hopefully you can tell the difference between this finger and this one. Okay, so let me go in here back into hot water, and there it is side by side. This is cold and this is hot. So hot it turns clear, so it goes from a sheer gray to a completely clear, and all you see is the shimmer. I know it's hard to tell the difference. The other one is a bit more obvious. Let's see that. Okay, now let's go for the middle finger. It turns more into a silver, very pretty. And there, I can't put my pinky and my middle finger together, but hopefully you can see the difference there. This has more of that rose purple color, and this, it's with the warm water, it turns into more of a silver. Okay, so let's put these back together into the hot water. So yeah, a very subtle change there. And if you look at them, I will have the links down in the description bar below for these. So if you look at the pictures on the website, it's like the series of colors that they have, no matter what the original color is, they all turn into almost sheer or clear. See that? You see the difference between the middle and my pinky? Now let's go ahead and try the stamping, because I want you to see how this works as a top coat, non-smear top coat. And so here's my nails stamped already, and this is the play that I use from Born Pretty Store. It's Flora Yarn S001, and the image that I use is this one right here, and I stamped with my Funky Fingers black polish. Now let's go ahead and put this to the test. How do you like this? It does really well as a top coat. You see, no smearing whatsoever. But yes, during my initial test, this is a slow drying top coat. It's not fast drying. So after this, for ultimate shine, you will want something like Sedge Bead for ultimate shine. Although it doesn't do so bad on its own once you see that it's dried. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I've already done the peel off test on my index nail, and so as far as base, I did not apply these to my totally bare nail. I actually had my yellow stopper as a base, and remember that I put right on top of the color, I put my Sedge Bead, then I stamped, and then I put their water-based top coat. I'm calling it a water-based top coat even though it's labeled as a fast drying top coat. But let's take a look. I want to show you how easy this was to peel. So I'm kind of glad that I waited, because so yeah, it's been now probably an hour and a half since these had plenty of time to dry. Really good. There's that one, there's this one, and this clear that you see right here, this is my yellow stopper. There goes my pinky. Super easy. So that's probably why the color changing is so subtle. So these are peel off water-based polishes. And that is the end of the review. Thank you, Born Pretty Store, for sending me these beautiful polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.